Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to translate Taobao Chinese shopping app from Chinese into English language without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 168, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you set your primary language in Alipay. However, you can translate to whatever language of your choice. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to translate from Chinese to English language. And we have to make sure we set up our language in Alipay right here. And for that, click on account right here. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Go ahead and click on general. Go ahead and click on translation tool. That's going to take you right here. Then you have to scroll down right here and see available languages right here. So at the time of making this video, these are available local languages right here that you can use as an inbuilt translate for whatever app in Alipay. However, in this tutorial, I select English. Once you select your preferred language, make sure you turn this button on. And with that, you can go ahead and see how we can use this inbuilt by Alipay translation tool to translate our Taobao from Chinese to English language. So let's find out. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the Alipay homepage. And click on homepage right here. On getting to Alipay homepage, click on search right here. Go ahead and search for Taobao and hit on search. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here. Then it's going to take you to Taobao profile right here. And everything right here was written in Chinese language. Now, how can you translate this from Chinese to English language with Alipay inbuilt tool? For that, what you need to do is to make sure you take note of this particular pop-up displays on your phone screen right here. So tap on it, translate, and in a few seconds, everything will be translated just like what you see right here. And everything here has been fully translated into English language. The more you scroll down, the more you have everything here in English. One great thing here is that if you click on any of the product link right here, you still maintain the translation. So for instance, if I want to check more detail about this particular product right here, salad cutter cutting. If I click on the product link, it's load up to the sales page of that particular store. And everything here was still written in Chinese character. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and you can see it has even automatically translated it into English language. You can scroll down and read detail about the product. The more you scroll down, the more things are displayed and everything here that was written in Chinese will be automatically translated into English language, except some of the pictures that was uploaded by the store right here. So take a look at the bottom right here, the down below text right here, we can as well translate it. Okay, so go ahead and then read detail from the point right here. If you want to add any product to cart, click on add to cart right here. If you want to buy, click on buy now and you are good to go. Let's go back to the home page. Then right here, we can easily click on here to view our cart. So if you have any product in your cart, it's going to be displayed right here in a few seconds. Just like what you see right here. So at the time of making this video, I have about 3 products in my cart right here. So we can go ahead and make payments for this product right here in Alipay. So everything here is translated automatically to Chinese, to English language, just like what you see right here. So we can click on me right here to go to our profile. So you have all your profile detail right here. So as at the time of making this video, these are the products I purchased from Taobao right here. They are all on transit. You can see them right here. The more you scroll, the more everything is written and translated back to English language right here. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Taobao and Alipay. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.